Hello everyone, my name is Naveed. I am a pre-sales consultant in Westcon-Comstor handling Palo Alto networks. And today we'll be talking about the software next generation firewalls with flexible licensing. Talking about the software next generation firewalls, our cloud network security transformation has been powered by its best-in-class security. They are cloud-centric because they can be deployed in any cloud hypervisor, or be it public cloud or private cloud. They are automated and well integrated with the cloud controllers supporting the various types of deployment and scaling. And they are easy to manage with the centralized management, be it for private cloud or public cloud. So these software firewalls are delivered as a platform. As you can see, you can choose whether you want to go for a VM series firewall or container series firewall, be it a public cloud or private cloud. Combined with the subscriptions, the centralized management and threat intelligence, it becomes a software next generation firewall platform. So today's topic is specifically about flexible licensing, how to size the software next generation firewall and convert that sizing into flexible licensing. So as you can understand from the word flexible, flexible means it gives you the freedom to design your solution as per your requirement and gives you the flexibility to convert into credits. So we'll see what are credits in the coming slides. But credits gives you the freedom to choose whatever firewall model you want, what subscriptions you want, and how to manage them. Unlike before, which used to be bundle based solution and customers would have to buy the whole bundle even though they do not have the requirement. So with flexible firewall sizing, you can choose the model that you want or the resources that you want to allot to the VM series firewall or CN series firewall, subscriptions that you want to choose as per your requirement, and including or do not including panorama. And moreover, with this type of licensing, even our partners can take advantage and customers would get a simple way to receive quotes and procure the solution. So with flexible licensing, you can reuse the software credits whether they are within the limit of the credits. So for 100 credits, for example, if you want to deploy two solutions wherein you have VM series firewall powered by URL filtering, threat prevention and wildfire, or CN series firewall powered by threat prevention and wildfire, that takes up the 30 credits. You are still left with 70 credits. Now if tomorrow you want to change the solution and you do not want wildfire licensing, you will get 2 more credits which will be deposited back into your credit pool. Software credits are terms based. You can choose whether you want 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, depending upon your requirement. Moreover, unlike previous software models where you would have to choose between VM50, VM100, VM300, VM500, etc., along with the bundles, bundle 1, bundle 2, bundle 3, where you would have to go for subscriptions even though you don't need. Here you can choose, customize the solution tailored for your requirement. So you get your VM series firewall or your CN series firewall along with the subscriptions and panorama. You can choose whether you want credits based upon fixed model requirement or flexible vCPU requirement. So you can, if you are following the traditional method and you want VM100 along with threat prevention, wildfire and URL filtering, you can calculate the credits based upon that requirement using other credit calculator, which will be seen in the coming slides. Otherwise, if you do not know what is VM100 and you have a specific resource requirement wherein you want to give 16 vCPUs or 32 vCPUs and some RAM to your firewall, you can choose that and then calculate the credits. So flexible means you do not have the restriction to go for a specific bundle which gives you which is costly compared to flexible licensing. It incorporates a lot of subscriptions based upon the bundle, but you might not even need it. So here we give you a la carte option wherein you choose the firewall, you choose the subscription and the way to manage it. And partners and customers, existing ones or new ones, can calculate the credits for themselves using the credit estimator, which is available on our support portal as well as a free tool. And finally, track the utilization once the software credits are deployed. This is one of the screenshots wherein you can see an existing customer can log into the support portal, go under assets and software credits, and see the credits which are being used by his company. So the utilization, the deployment profiles, etc. So the key benefits are: credit-based licensing removes the bundle-based restrictions. Flexible firewall sizing, you can choose between fixed models or flexible vCPUs. You can choose what firewall you want, what subscriptions you want, how you want to manage it. You can include Panorama without even buying the software. It gives you flexibility to choose and deploy the software, be it on-prem cloud or private cloud or public cloud. The procurement is pretty simple because it's only one line item, software NGFWCR, with the number of credits that you want. Thank you. So we would just quickly like to jump into the demo and see how it is done. So I will show you both the ways how you can do it as an existing customer or as a new customer. So if you are an existing customer and you are having a support portal access, Palo Alto CSP, you can log in into it, and this is how it will look. You can go under assets, you can browse to software and GFW credits and go for credit estimator. Like I said, you can decide whether you want to go for VM series or CN series, okay, and you want to choose fixed vCPU or flexible vCPU. So most of the customers, they go for VM series, and the support is preferred mostly premium. Say next. You can choose whether you want one firewall as a standalone or you want to go for HA. Like I said, you can choose whether you want to go for 2 CPU or 4 CPU. You can choose custom and then choose the subscriptions that you want. For example, you do not want SD-WAN and you do not want URL filtering. You just want threat prevention and DNS global DLP wildfire along with Panorama. You can calculate the estimated credits. You can even see the distribution of credits by pressing the question mark. So if you are going for 2 firewalls where you want each firewall to take 4 vCPU along with threat prevention, DNS security, global protect, DLP, wildfire and Panorama, it gives you roughly around 67.62 credits. As best practices, we do add a couple of more credits so that you can get the flexibility to choose another subscription if you feel like you have a requirement for that. So tomorrow, if you want to go for advanced URL filtering, you can choose it, and you can see it takes up approximately 5 more credits. So when you add buffer of 75, which makes it 5 to 6 credits more, you can tomorrow choose or upgrade the solution by adding advanced URL filtering, and you don't have to come to us. On the contrary, if you want to go for again software NGFW premium support fixed vCPU model, you can again decide whether you want for quantity 1 or quantity 2. You can choose the model, you can choose the security use case as custom, and design your solution again. So this gives you approximately same number of credits, and you can see the distribution here. You can also do the software credit calculation if you're a new customer, do not have the CSP account, using our public tool. Here you can choose which series of firewall you want, the quantity. For VM100 it is 2 vCPUs, for VM300 it is 4 vCPUs. So if you're not aware of the models, if you're not an existing customer, or if you are not following Palo Alto networks, you have never looked into the data sheet, you can go for whatever resources you are available for your virtual firewalls. You can select advanced URL filtering, threat prevention, wildfire, DNS security, and I just need panorama. Okay, so I would like to compare it with this, the same BOQ which we created, and if I make it 264 credits, if I make it 31.99, so this is how you will do it, whether you're an existing customer or new customer or partner. So this brings us to the end of the session. Thank you very much.